Welcome to Class 5 of our AI course. Today we are exploring advanced prompt engineering, covering techniques like zero-shot, few-shot, chain of thought, personas, and structured output to help you craft better prompts. By the end of this video, you will understand how to improve AI output quality, build reusable prompt systems, and apply these advanced strategies through practical, hands-on testing. Here is our roadmap. We will progress through 7 key techniques, starting from simple zero-shot prompts and moving toward professional, templated workflows. Remember, prompt quality increases as you add more context, roles, and constraints. Advanced prompt engineering is all about professional instruction. Compare these two prompts: a basic, write about AI versus an advanced structured request. The difference in result quality is significant. First, let us look at zero-shot prompting. This is when you give the AI a direct task without any prior examples. It is ideal for quick definitions, simple summaries, or basic brainstorming. In zero-shot prompting, the AI relies solely on its existing training. It is fast, but remember that for more complex or professional tasks, you may need to revise the output for accuracy. Next is one-shot prompting. By providing just a single example, you help the AI understand the specific pattern, tone, or format you want it to follow. One-shot prompting is effective for establishing a fixed output style. For instance, by providing one classification example, the I can easily apply that same logic to new inputs. Moving up in complexity, we reach few-shot prompting. This involves giving the AI several examples to further improve consistency and accuracy in its output. Use few-shot prompting when you need strong pattern guidance for tasks like data extraction, coding styles, or repeating specific business formats. Here is a comparison of these 3 methods. Use this rule of thumb. Start with zero-shot, and if the consistency isn't quite right, add 1 or more examples to refine the output. Now let's explore chain of thought prompting. This technique asks the AI to solve a complex task step by step, which is incredibly helpful for math, logical reasoning, and debugging. When using chain of thought, explicit instructions to show the steps are key. By asking the AI to explain each calculation, you get a much clearer, more reliable answer. Next is persona prompting. This is where you assign a professional role to the AI, ensuring its tone and level of expertise match your specific audience. A great persona prompt combines the role, target audience, specific expertise, and desired tone. It is a powerful way to tailor AI-generated content to your exact needs. Now let's focus on structured output. By telling the AI exactly how you want the data formatted, like in a table, JSON, or a specific lesson plan, you make the response immediately usable for your work. Using structured prompts turns raw, messy text into organized, professional material. Whether you need a table, a checklist, or a CSV file, defining the format clearly saves significant time. Finally, we have prompt templates. These are reusable frameworks that help you maintain standardized, high-quality output every time you interact with an AI. A professional template includes placeholders for the role, goal, context, task, constraints, format, and tone. This ensures every prompt you write follows a proven, effective structure. Here is an example of a complete prompt template for an instructor. Notice how it clearly defines the persona, audience, topic, required sections, and the output format in Markdown. As you practice, remember to avoid common mistakes like being too vague, neglecting to define your audience, or failing to set a format. Precision is key to success. Follow this best practices checklist. Prompting is an iterative process. Write your initial version, test it, compare the results, and refine it until you achieve the desired outcome. Time for your first practical activity. We will compare zero-shot, one-shot, and few-shot prompting across 3 tasks. Observe how adding examples changes the output consistency. For our second activity, create prompts for real-world tasks. Practice crafting professional requests for emails, resumes, or even coding help, ensuring you include the full framework we discussed. Your assignment is to build a collection of 30 professional prompts. Categorize them and evaluate them using our notebook table format to track quality and improvements. Let's review. These 10 questions will test your grasp of today's techniques. Use them to ensure you are ready to apply these skills effectively. To summarize, master these techniques to control AI output. Remember, prompt engineering is a core professional skill that bridges the gap between basic usage and high-impact results. Thank you for joining. In our next class, we will dive into the AI Productivity Masterclass, where we apply these skills to your daily workflows. See you then.